Yo guys, Ziyakhala, it's crying. You know one thing about Uvuyokazi, she will trend, guys. And I feel like now she is trending more than the time she was dating Umpumelelo. Like Buningi, Buningi, guys. I have an audio of Olani where he was live telling people that Uvuyokazi Nciweni forced him to marry her. Hayibo sana. Uthi-ke uGayi uVuyokazi Nciweni forced him to marry her so that she can make Umpumelelo jealous. Cabang? And Kesana, I will include the audio here so that you guys can hear it for yourself. But uGayi uthi Kesana, he was forced, even the mother was involved. So uthi umama kaVuyokazi Nciweni was also forcing him ukuthi just nje pay lobola, please pay lobola before the end of a season yezingane zesithembu, so that I don't know, to spite Umpumelelo, or I don't know guys, I don't know, but hey, kuningi guys, listen to the audio and then judge for yourself. Mina personally, I still don't believe it, guys. I still don't believe. In this channel we are team Vuyokazi all the way. But Kesana, Gasolisa, I will believe it when I see the proof. Please listen to the audio and leave a comment in the comment section down below.
Yeah.
Ngashela hayi intombi hayi anginike umuntu mayinikeza umuntu athi mina manje wesisi mina-ke angifune dada manje okungcono nje asiyithathe slow, right? So manje-ke hayi usisi-ke wayefuna ukushima phela lo mfana loya walapha, so basebenzisa mina nami ngasebenziseka manje. Uhlekani luyanda njalo-ke. So-ke wangisebenzisa-ke ngasebenziseka-ke nami. Uhlekani luyanda.
I'm sorry. Kube ngicela ngilalele ngilaphele. Ngizamcima imayiki manini wona zonke.
So ugeli kwahamba hayi ugeli wathi angilobole before i-episode yokugcina yalapha ekhaya. Ngathi ngeke ngize ngikwazi. Ngizolobola nini mina ngomhla ka-3 August. Yabo? It's forced. I can even send you i-voice notes ekama wakhe athi angenze i-public apology. Yes?
Yeah, when you didn't want to apologize.
I didn't want to, because whatever that I discussed with my baby mama was true.
You know, baby mama to get a but it's okay. Carry on. Oh, yeah, plastic. You win.
Okay. Whatever engayisho, it was true. And I'm telling you this, guys, in life, give Christ to vote. Give Christ to. I'm in Christ.
Yeah.
So, ningangibethela nkosi yami, crucify. I don't care. I don't care. Whatever that I did it. My intentions are right. Umuntu wami bengimthanda sezami yonke futhi. So yena ubefuna ukushaya ini ihlabekisa ngami. So nami ke ngaphuma ngalwa.
When you regret it ukuthi unjeka manje yakho ukuthi
not even because ingane zakhe usisi lo umsolo. Ingane zakhe lezi ngo bengizonda, yazi. On top of that ngayifaka